Good day, students. For today's video, we will take some examples in function. So I will read the first example. Mary jogs at a speed of 8 km per hour towards north. After 15 minutes, Alma runs at the same direction at a speed of 12 km per hour. How many minutes will it take to Alma overtake Mary? So in this kind of example, we need to go back to the concept of distance, rate, and time, wherein distance is the product of rate times time. So the rate here could be velocity or speed. Interchangeably, it is used in many books. Okay, so we will write Mary here, and her rate or speed is 8 km per hour. And then we will put t or time, and then to multiply it, it is 8t. And Alma's skills is 12 km per hour in running, and then she left in the same spot with Mary after 15 minutes. So we have Mary's time and then minus 15. So the distance that she could travel is 12t minus 80. So the question is, how many minutes will it take to Alma overtake Mary? So we have here 80 is equal to 12t minus 180. So we multiply this 12 to t, 12t, and then 12 times 15, we have 180. Solving this equation, we come up with this 12t minus 80 is equal to 180, and then 40 is equal to 180, and then t is equal to 45. So meaning to say, the 45 here means that it is a time spent in running by Mary. Okay? So we will take it a simple illustration here. Let's make this one bigger. Okay. So Mary runs for 15 minutes, and she was able to reach 2 kilometers because her rate is 8 km per hour. 15 minutes is 1/4 of an hour. So 1/4 of 8k is 2k. 2 km, I should say. 2 km. 2 kilometer. So after Mary was able to reach 2 kilometers in 15 minutes, then Alma started to run. Okay? Started to run. Okay, so when Alma is already running 15 minutes, she was able to reach 15 kilometers because this is 1/4 of an hour, 15 minutes, and 1/4 of 12 kilometer, 3 kilometer. In that time, Mary already ran for how many minutes? 30 minutes, which she was able to reach 4 kilometers. Okay, so in her 30 minutes, Alma already ran for 15 minutes and was able to reach 3 kilometers. In the other 15 minutes, Alma was able to reach 6 kilometers, and then she already spent 30 minutes already, and then Mary was running for 45 kilometers already and reached 6 km. So meaning to say, in this point of 45 minutes running and then 30 minutes of Alma, they were able to what? See themselves in the same point here. Okay? So at that point, Alma is able to overtake Mary. So Mary overtake Alma overtakes Mary after 30 minutes of running. All in all, this 45 minutes here is the reference for Mary. So meaning to say, we have our answer here. Okay? So I hope that you have learned something about this one. If you have questions, free to comment it down below. And then the second example is a very simple uh, linear function example. It says here, a notebook costs 15 pesos online with a fixed delivery charge of 30 pesos. How many notebooks can James buy if he has 120 pesos? So let x be the number of notebooks. And then we have f of x, 15 times the number of notebooks will give you the answer of the cost of the notebook. And then plus the 30 delivery charge we have here with y as f of x. Ito ang f of x natin dito. We change it as y. So, because we are given the result money to be bought, I should say, 120 here is the values of y. So, we manipulate the equation by solving the x. Then we have 120 minus 30, 90. And then 90 divided by 15, we have 6. So we have 6 notebooks that we are going to buy, or that we can buy if we have 120. So James were able to buy 6 notebooks online. So I hope that this is helpful to everybody. So bye for now. Thank you for your time in watching. See you in the next video.